So we're going to see in this video how to create a table. So create a table with the following properties. Below the heading, create a table which has 4 rows and 2 columns. We have to merge the cells to create the table as shown to the right. Set the padding to 3. Set the cell spacing to 5. Set the width to 100%. Set the table border to 2. And set the background color to light yellow. So what you're going to do is, if you want to create a table from scratch, so in other words, if there's no table in your website already, all you do is you go to Table, Insert, Table, and we just change the properties here. So they said it's got to be a table that has 4 rows and 2 columns. So we have make it 4 rows, 2 columns. We can't merge the cells yet. We're going to create the table first. So we just read ahead and look at the other properties. The cell padding must be 3. So cell padding, we're going to change this to 3. The cell spacing, we've got to make it 5. So cell spacing, we're going to make 5. The width of the table must be 100%. So we make sure that the width, you make sure it says tick specify width, make sure it's in percent, and make sure it says 100. But just be careful, sometimes your table might have dimensions. Then you cannot have your width of the table to 100%. But you'll see that in an upcoming video, hopefully. Set the table border to 2. So that's border size. The table border size must be 2. And lastly, the table background must be a light yellow. So the background we're going to change to a light yellow. So that's everything that they've said that we can change in this window here. So I'm just going to say OK. And there's our table. So the last thing to do is now to merge the cells so they look like this. So you can see A is 1 row. D is basically the combination of the 2 cells here in the middle on the right. And E is 1 row. So to merge cells, you just highlight the rows you want to merge, or highlight the cells you want to merge. Right click, merge cells. These 2 cells we need to merge. Right click, merge cells. The last row we need to merge, so right click, merge cells. So that's how you create a table in your web page. I hope that's okay. Let me know if you have any questions.